Want your Squarespace site to feel high-end? The secret is refined animation. Not flashy motion, subtle micro-interactions, and smooth, easing create premium polish. Think gentle fades, soft parallax, and responsive hover states that reward attention. Keep timing short, 3 to 500 milliseconds for micro-interactions with ease-out curves. Stagger elements by 50 to 150 milliseconds for an elegant, layered reveal. Now a quick step-by-step with real Squarespace examples and on-screen captions. Step 1. Add a subtle fade into your hero image for a calm first impression. Step 2. Animate buttons on hover with a slight scale and slow easing to feel tactile. Step 3. Stagger headline, subhead, and image so each element arrives like a soft chorus. Before, a static page. After, motion that guides the eye and feels intentional. Keep it lightweight, limit simultaneous animations, and always test on mobile for smooth frame rate. Try these micro-interactions on your Squarespace site today. Link in the description.